Welcome to the comprehensive guide to understanding Axie Infinity Axie movesets. In this tutorial, we will break down the key concepts and provide practical examples to help you get started. First, let's define what an Axie is and what a moveset is. An Axie is a digital pet in the Axie Infinity game, and a moveset refers to the combination of cards that an Axie can use in battle. Each Axie has a unique moveset that determines its strengths and weaknesses. The moveset of an Axie consists of 4 cards, each representing a different move. These moves can be classified into different types, including melee, ranged, and special moves. Understanding the different types of moves and how they interact with each other is crucial to developing an effective moveset. To develop a moveset, you need to consider the Axie's attributes, such as its health, speed, and skill. The attributes determine how much damage the Axie can deal and how much damage it can withstand. You should also consider the Axie's breed and class, as these factors can affect its strengths and weaknesses. When selecting cards for your Axie's moveset, consider the following key concepts: energy cost, damage, and effects. Energy cost refers to the amount of energy required to play a card. Damage refers to the amount of damage the card can deal. And effects refer to any additional benefits or penalties the card may have. Here are some practical examples of how to develop a moveset. For a melee-focused Axie, you may want to select cards that deal high damage and have low energy costs. For a ranged-focused Axie, you may want to select cards that have high damage and effects that can hinder the opponent's movement. Best practices for developing a moveset include considering the Axie's weaknesses and selecting cards that can counter them. You should also consider the opponent's moveset and select cards that can counter their strengths. Additionally, make sure to balance your moveset with a mix of high damage and low energy cost cards. In conclusion, understanding Axie Infinity Axie movesets requires a combination of knowledge about the game, mechanics and strategic thinking. By considering the Axie's attributes, breed, and class, and selecting cards that complement its strengths and weaknesses, you can develop an effective moveset that will help you succeed in the game.